Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Easter gnome. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Easter gnome, let's begin by making the nose. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a little oval shape right here on my paper. Now, along each side, I'm going to draw a little line that comes down. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up on each side. And then I'm going to draw another little line that's just going to come up and then down to here. Now, I want to make the ears of my little Easter gnome. So I'm going to give it 2 bunny ears. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come down here. Hopefully you can see with Miami in the way. And then I'll make a little sad face right here. Next, I'm going to make another little line that's going to come up and then down here. Now over here, I'm going to make an Easter ear that's going to kind of be bent over. So this time I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. And then we're going to make this line come down. And then I'll bring this line back up here. Next, I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 little lines. And then I'm going to make a little sad face right here. Next, I'm going to make the hat. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to bring a line right up here to the ear. And I'll do the same thing here, bring it right up here to the ear. Then I'm going to bring this line up and down. Then I'll bring this line right up to here. Then we're going to bring this line out to here. And then I'm going to put a small little Easter egg shape right there. And we'll add a couple little lines on there. Now, starting here, I want to make it look like he's holding a big Easter egg. So I'm going to begin here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down to here. I'm going to make a little oval shape here, or a little circle shape, I should say, and then a little circle shape right here for the hands. Next, on each side, we're going to make the beard. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up, and then down again. Same thing here, we're going to go down and up, and then right down there to the hands. Then I'm going to go down here, and I'm just going to make a nice big smiley face shape for the bottom of the egg. Then I'm going to make a few more little pointed lines that come down here for the end of the beard. Now, I want to give our little gnome some little bunny slippers. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a little curved line on each side. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up and down on each side. Then I'll make one more for the little ears. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve around, and then one over here. I'm going to make 2 little dots for the eyes. make a little dot for the nose. And then we'll make 2 little curves on each side. Then I'm going to bring a little line up on each side. Now, up here on the hat, I'm going to add a little bit of detail. I'm going to make some big circle shapes right around here, just so it looks like there are some spots on here, just for a little bit of detail on the hat. And we're just going to put these kind of all around here. And then I'm going to make some little details on the egg here. You can do any type of pattern you want. I'm just going to go with this nice little wavy pattern here. And there you go. There is your drawing of an Easter gnome. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.